Yeah. Hello friends. Today, because of the way people are calling to ask about cholesterol and how they can help themselves at home, I decided to show you my kind of jollof rice I cook without oil, without tomatoes. I call it Zitolina jollof rice. No tomatoes, no oils. I only use spices because some of these spices can create good cholesterol and clean very bad cholesterol. And 30 minutes after I've eaten the rice, I'll take either pineapple juice or grapevine juice. That will help enhance proper absorption, digestion, and the rest of the metabolic processes that I need in my body. So today, let me show you how I prepared this jollof rice. This is my jollof rice. Let me taste it here. And as I'm eating, I'm talking. Don't mind me. Because today, I didn't have brown rice. So what I did is I decided to use white rice. And in using this white rice, I decided to soak this rice. I boil water, pour this rice inside hot water. Then I also, if you are using fish, because I have a good number of blood group O here, I used chicken wings because chicken wings has that oil that is so good for the heart. We will talk about that later. It's a whole lot of its topic. So in the chicken meat, the wings is better. So I decided to use chicken wings. Now these wings too, I cut them, pour them inside hot water I boiled. Then I sprinkled lemon on top of it and I left this meat for 10 to 15 minutes. Same way I left the rice for 10 to 15 minutes. Now when the 15 minutes was gone, I washed this rice, poured it into a pot, add water there, put this meat inside there, and then put it together on fire. Then I now put salt. Don't forget, you have to cook your salt. Salt was the first thing I added. Reason, so that before the rice and the chicken will be well done, the salt, whatever sodium that is in it, must have gone by evaporation. Remember, I have people to eat this food. They are blood group O people. So I am not supposed to use raw salt or sprinkle salt after cooking. Then when it's there boiling on fire, I then cut my onion, cut my garlic, cut my red pepper. I cut them in one plate, then I kept. Then I brought ginger powder, dried ginger powder. This is coriander. I put the coriander teaspoon. I put rosemary 1 tablespoon. I put bay leaf. All of you know about bay leaf. It helps to tenderize the brain and make the brain remember things. You just click and you remember. So I put just 2, only 2. I didn't put too much. Then this is dried sage. I put a teaspoon. This is anise seed. Ghana call it keten keten. I put just a teaspoon. This is basil leaves, dried basil leaves. I just put 1 tablespoon. All of us know thyme. I put thyme, 1 tablespoon. This is the oregano. Oregano. Oregano is in the family of mint leaves. It's in the family of mint leaves, and it's a mountain leaf mint, but it's highly antibiotic and antiviral. So I put the oregano 2 tablespoonfuls, because when the oregano mixes with the bay leaf, it's going to produce good quantity of good cholesterol. Then I put a tablespoonful of saffron. I also had cayenne pepper. I added cayenne pepper powder. Now these were the spices I used. Then I added water on top, and I covered the food to boil until it gets to this point. I did not add any oil nor tomatoes. No tomatoes, no oil. It is the oils from the chicken wings and oils from all these spices that gave it this shiny, sweet taste and the aroma. It's nice. Oh, please join me. I'm enjoying it. Okay, you can see the red pepper that I chopped. You can see how I chop it so that you chew the red pepper. You chew it. It aids proper digestion. Within the next 30 to 45 minutes, your rice have digested in your stomach. Then you drink your juices and you're good to go. Then you are able to defecate, you are able to urinate, and you have your healthy body. Okay, something is here I want to show you. Let me put it here so that you can see it clearly. This is a sauce I made for the rice. Please look at it. I made this sauce so that I put it by the corner, and I add it to the rice, and then I use it to enliven and boost digestion. This sauce is an immune booster. Reason: for those of you who have done G&G, the ginger and garlic juice, the chaff from the ginger and garlic juice is what I use to make this fiber sauce. I told you some time ago I'm going to show you how to make the fiber sauce. This is the fiber sauce of the ginger and the garlic. How did I do this? After juicing my ginger and garlic juice, which I have the bottle there in my fridge, I now collected the fibers. Then I chopped few onion, just 3 balls of this onion. And then I have the cayenne pepper powder. So I used 3 spoonfuls of olive oil. I poured the olive oil first in the saucepan. Then I poured the onion. You can see the onion there. I poured the onion. Then I poured the pepper, and I pour my chaff. I lower the heat so that it doesn't get burnt. Then I stir. Don't forget, stir your food clockwise, 360 degrees. I keep stirring until it mixes very well, and then the oil is on all aspects of the fiber. Then I'll cover it, leave it there for 15 minutes, off the fire, and there I have my wonderful sauce. Don't forget to add your salt immediately you put the olive oil in the pot. Immediately you put your olive oil, 3 tablespoonfuls. First thing you put is the salt. A little salt to give it taste. Then add your onion, add your garlic, add your pepper, cayenne pepper powder. Then add the ginger and garlic fiber, which has all the spices that you have blended. Now, when you off the light, you have your spicy sauce, fiber sauce. You can eat anything with your fiber sauce. You can eat your Zitolina jollof rice. You can eat the fiber sauce with yam if you are blood group O and B. You can eat it with potatoes if you are blood group A. You can eat it with chopped tomatoes and yam if you are blood group AB, that tomatoes are highly beneficial for. So you have your fiber sauce. Do not throw away your ginger and garlic juice fiber, because that is even another medication that cleanses your rectum. When you eat it, you go to toilet very well. It cleanses the rectum of parasitic worms that dwell there or maggots. So today we have learned and we have known how to make our Zitolina jollof rice without oil and tomato. So yummy, so yummy. And how to make your fiber. You now add the fiber there and you turn together like that. You see? You turn it this way and you eat. Yum, yum, yum. You turn again and you eat. Yum, yum. It's so tasty. It's so delicious. It's so yummy. It's so nice. It's so healthy. And you realize you're taking these dose maybe in the afternoon, your lunch, which is a heavy lunch, enjoy it. After eating, you do this for about few weeks. You go for your cholesterol checkup and you check. Give us our testimony on the platform, Eating According to Your Blood Group. This particular food is highly beneficial for all blood types, except that if you are blood group A, please use fish. You can use your red fish, you can use your salmon fish, and when you use the fish, don't forget to boil hot water, put the fish inside, sprinkle lemon on top, allow it there for 15 to 20 minutes, and then use the same process to prepare your Zitolina jollof rice. Thank you for watching this. Enjoy your day. Make your juices at home. This is pineapple juice. This is grapefruit juice. I have my ginger and garlic juice there in the fridge. Drink your juices. They are very healthy. Thank you for watching, sweetie. Thank you for watching, friends. Please stay healthy. Eat right. Stay safe. Bye.